NDB, disengaging autopilot, setting the heading bug to 005, and turning. The ADF should swing 180 degrees, and we want to continue our descent. Do not descend below 500 until you have the runway in sight. Okay, weather's not exactly so crappy. There's the runway. I can see it. So I'm going to start my visual approach now. Probably could have done it in 1 mile visibility or less. Minimum is a quarter-mile visibility, but I'm still learning this myself. So for the sake of the tutorial, just to get the general skill, you want to have more than minimums. I'm up way too high. That looks about right. Let me just close down the runway. Ah, come on. Why is it so bumpy? I seem to have encountered some kind of glitch that has made the runway really bumpy. And there we go. Alright, so we made it safely for the most part. And that was the NDB approach. Ah, crap. Why is that happening? There we go. Okay, that approach is done. Now for the next one. Okay, for the VOR approach, I'm going to have fixes. Okay, hold on, let me see some Gleam. Here's Gleam. Gleam is identified by the intersection between the 274 radial of DuPont and the 197 radial off Modena. So you want to set the radio up accordingly. Track with the radio with the NAV1 instrument, and then identify intersections with the NAV2 instrument. Otherwise, you might confuse yourself. So I'm going to dial in to 114.0. I might as well continue down this one now. Reactive. Note that I am not in range. And we will set Modena to 197. Frequency 113.2. I am not in range of that radio beacon either. Okay, that's fine for now. Since I was on SkyVector and got the direct route, I'm going to put 170. Oops, got a little confused there. I'm going to put 170 into the heading bug. And sticky mouse. Where am I? That's not right. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to put 170 into the heading bug, and that should give me a direct route. Or very close to a direct route, and then from there I can, once I get some altitude, I'll be able to receive the signal. This flight I'll use an altitude of 3,500. We can also turn off the ADF now since we don't need it. We don't really want that distracting us. Of course, ideally you would want to have everything engaged using all the different nav aids that are available in case one of the radios fails, so you have a backup. And here I am just realizing I forgot to set the NAV2 OBS needle. You want to set that for 197.